Assalamu alaikum friends, hope you are doing well. Today I will discuss about a Stabla project. So what is Stabla? Before joining this campaign, I will discuss about in full detail and what Stabla which works on blockchain. So they have on blockchain technology, so they have created a wallet to receiving a deposit address. So before we will discuss about introduction. Stabla is a project committed to financial system decentralization. Stabla protocol provides a public blockchain service with high throughput, flexibility, reliability. All of the decentralization application in this Stabla space are licensed to counter fraud and minimize risks of its user. Digital transformation lets the world reimagine itself, and Stabla is happy to among the change maker by enabling customer centric service and last relationship. So they have running a officially bounty campaign, so they have own wallet. So first of all, you have account on this wallet to receiving the deposit address. So simple on the register, click on the register button and put your email address, and after create a unique password and put again the same password. After that you have click on I agree to sign up. Simple click on this button, and after that you have complete the human verification captcha. After that you can join now. After creating account, you have receiving a email receiving a link for verification. After click on this link, your account will be created successfully. So after creating account, you have to log in your account. You put a email address same and password, and after I'm not a robot, and just click on login button. After creating a wallet, so you have checked the dashboard. So click on this plus button to creating a wallet address. So this is a address alias, so you have put a unique username, and after that you have a password and click on this create. After creating this, you have generated a deposit address. You can scan your QR scan code, and you have click on this copy and receiving your address. So this is your deposit address. Click on this page and you copy it to the clipboard. So your address will be created, and after that you can put on the Google form and you will be accepted. After all the rewards you will be received on this wallet, and you can after send this token when this token listed on another exchange. So we will discuss about general campaign rule. So they have mandatory rules. So first of all, you have follow the Twitter and Facebook, YouTube, Reddit and official group and channel, and leaving a constructive review on Facebook page is mandatory. Spam is not allowed. Create a wallet on our website. So they have a wallet, so must you have a create account and create a deposit address, because your token STB token will be received on this website. After that you can send any exchange. Then you can check the bounty telegram group. So this is mandatory. So price 1 Stabla, you can check this explorer. So you can check the STB price. So per token price is $11. So they have on blockchain, and all the transaction you will track on this website. So this is the total market cap, and you can check the 24-hour STB volume and 24-hour transaction volume, and total supply 13 million, and in circulation plan you can check this total circulation supply, and you can check and track all the transaction just clicking on this hash link. So this is this is the search area. You can put your address and check your all latest transactions. After you check the bounty locations, so Facebook is only 15% allocation, Twitter is only 50%, Telegram is only 5%, YouTube will be only 20%, content creation will be only 15%, Instagram only will be 10%, LinkedIn only will be 10%, Reddit only will be 10%. So they have first campaign. The first campaign is Facebook campaign. So they have they have submitted the registration form. So please create a STB deposit before submitting the registration. So you have a deposit address, so copy this address and submit your address in the Google form. So your Facebook account privacy need to be public, and your account age should be above 3 months old. You need to like, share and comment minimum 3 posts weekly from our official page, and create 5 posts about project including. So first campaign will be Facebook. So you have submitted the registration form. Please create a STB wallet before submitting the registration form. So I have already discussed about how to create a wallet in step by step. So just creating a after creating a wallet, you can click on this clipboard. After click on this, you can check your address has been copied. So after copied, you can put the address in the Google form. After submitted your Google form, they have checked and accepted your inquiry. So after that, you have weekly 3 minimum post in official page, and create 5 posts on official page with minimum hashtags. So they have already mentioned a hashtag. You can put in this put the hashtag when you have create and share the post. So they have also link a Google form. So click on this link. This is the Facebook campaign. So first of all, you have put a BitContact username, BitContact profile link, Facebook profile link, how much you have followers on Facebook account. So just click on this button according to your followers. So after that, you have put a authentication post link and Telegram username, and just click on the yes button if you have joined the Bounty and official group. So after that, you have put as STB wallet wallet address which you have generated on their website. After that, you have click on this submit button. Your data will be submitted on their separate sheet. They have checking, and step by step you have approved after that. So second campaign will be Twitter campaign. So same all the step you have follow the Facebook campaign. So this is the Twitter campaign. Click on this Twitter official handle and follow this. And Twitter order score, you have you will be only 80% order score on their Twitter account. You need like, comment and retweet a minimum of 3 tweet weekly from our Twitter accounts. So create 5 tweet about this project including hashtag, and this is our websites. So please hashtag will be and stabilize. This is the hashtag you also put in the when you have shared any post. So they have applying the Twitter campaign form. So click on this button and put all the data carefully, and you will be check out the followers. So if you have 1000 followers, you will be receive 1 stake. If you have above 2500 followers, you will be receive 2 stake. So you can check the content campaign. So fill the content creation registration form. Content should be only above 500 words in English and need to be write about our project in detail. So they have a apply a content creation link. So simple click on this and submit your article link. And this campaign is YouTube campaign. So subscribe our channel and registration here for the YouTube campaign. Minimum video length is 3 minutes in English. The local language is not allowed. So you need to explain our project, how to create an account, how to create a wallet, and how to buy STB coin, and how to use the security features, and what is Stabler blockchain. So you need to add a stabler.org in website and include all the social media in the video description. So you need to add hashtag. This hashtag is very mandatory. When you have create account, in description you have put all the hashtag in video description. So video shall not be deleted, should be public. Your YouTube channel subscriber has to be 500 plus subscribers. So maximum 1 submission per week. So click on this apply button. So and put all the details according to YouTube link. So after the Reddit campaign, if you have karmas on Reddit account, so you can join this bounty, otherwise you can skip. After that you have checked the Telegram campaign. You can join the Telegram channel, Telegram group, and invite at least five friends of your Telegram weekly, and include username in the report form. Make at least 15 constructive comment in the Telegram about the project and submit link into the report. And spam will not be removed immediately. Asking bounty related question of official progress is banned. Please the Stabler bounty group and for the related bounty support. So this is the LinkedIn campaign. So follow, like and share our official page, and your account privacy need to be public, and your account age should be above 3 months. You need to be like and share comment a minimum of 3 posts weekly from our official LinkedIn page. Create a 5 post and about our project including hashtag and website. This is their website link, so please use the following hashtag. So don't make a more than 2 posts per day. Only 1 post and 1 share will be accepted per day. So this is the apply form. So click on this Google form and put all the information about your LinkedIn. So this is depending on your connection. If you have 100 plus connection, you have received only 1 stake. If you have 250 plus connection, you have to receive 2 stake. If you have 500 plus connection, you will be received 3 stake. At the end of week, they have provided a Google form. You have put all the work on this Google form. So this is the Instagram campaign. If you have followers 200 plus, you can join this campaign, otherwise you can skip. And they have mentioned a post authentication format. So this is the format. So just copy and reply, and click on the reply button and paste all the information about they have provided. So this is profile link, your STB address and Telegram username. After you can check the spreadsheet, all your data and your name will be showing on this spreadsheet. So this is very good project. So you have must join this bounty campaign if you want to free an STB token. So I will really suggest you, please don't skip this bounty. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.